Hello everyone. In today's class, we will see how to install JDK Java in our system. Okay. Now, just first go and check on control panel whether you have already installed Java or not. Just search it. So nothing. So there is no JDK available. So go to okay. So actually JDK download. So go to the site. So go to Java archive. So there are a lot of JDKs available, versions 8, 9, 10, 11. So we'll try to install 17. Or initially, okay, Java 7, right? So we'll go with Java 11 only. Okay. Why I'm installing Java 11, we'll see. We will see. Huh? Okay. Windows x64 installer. Click here. Download it. JDK 11. So to download, no, it will ask for authentication from Oracle site. Okay. Started downloading here. Let it download. So this is a .exe file. Okay. See the folder where download it. Okay. Right now install it. So 11, I'm installing 11. Okay, successfully installed. Go to C drive. Java JDK 11 installed, right? So this is the path. So JDK 7 is installed here. So you can download from Oracle site. Thank you.